Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia and I study and live in China. I want to share with you 10 phrases that everyone who is going to China needs to know. Those will be all you need to survive in China. Try to memorize not only the words, but the intonations. Let's go! Do you want to be polite and greet hotel's personnel where you're staying? Let's learn the basic greeting in Chinese. 你好.
你好，你好，你好。
Let's say it together. 你好. Good. You went to the restaurant and you want to thank the waiter. 谢谢.
谢谢你啊，谢谢。
谢谢. Good.
I feel like Dora Explorer. Like, oh guys, tell me where is the map? Huh? Where is the map? Yes! Here it is. Thank you.
You're walking in the Chinese market and you really like one backpack. You ask, 多少钱?
多少钱呢?
Usually the shopkeepers type the price on a phone or a calculator. So don't worry if you don't know how to count in Chinese. If you're very curious, you can count with me.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、10。
I would recommend you to learn how to show the numbers from 6 to 10 in the Chinese style. It will be very useful to you. Look, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or like this.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If you're a foreigner in China, Chinese sellers will probably try to overcharge you. So don't be afraid to haggle or just run away. Chinese food can be really hot if you're not used to eating Chinese food since childhood like me. So be sure to clearly say 不辣 when ordering. Let's say it together. 不辣. Good. You're a little confused. I don't know where to go next. Then you can show the passage by the place where you're going and ask something like, for example, Tiananmen Square 在哪儿? Okay, something something. 在哪儿?
红旗塑料厂在哪儿啊？
You can show a picture of your hotel and point and say 在哪儿? Or you can show a picture of Great Wall, point to it and say 在哪儿? You found a lot of Chinese friends and you want to introduce yourself in Chinese. Okay, say 我叫 Nadia. 我叫 Nadia. 我叫 When you tell something in Chinese and you smile, it sounds more Chinese. It sounds better. Just look. 我叫 Nadia. So let's smile always. Goodbye, bye bye, or see you. 再见 bye bye. 再见 No, it's better to smile. 再见 Oh, you accidentally stepped on someone's foot. Look sorry and say 对不起. 对不起. If someone confidently trying to explain you what's going on in Chinese but you have no idea what's going on, just say 听不懂.
听不懂，听不懂，听不懂，听不懂，听不懂。
I don't understand. 听不懂. Sometimes I pretend that I don't understand because it helps me to avoid a lot of problems and a lot of annoying questions. I just say 听不懂. You don't know how to say that you want to buy this particular ice cream? Say 这个. Yes, just point and say 这个. 这个. Yeah, when you're at the shop, you don't need to know everything what you want to buy. You just point at stuff and say 这个, 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 这个. Oh, guys, do you remember how to ask about the price in Chinese? 多少钱? Let's practice a little bit. Imagine that you want to buy this hat. Just say 这个多少钱? Thank you for watching my videos. Please like my videos if you really like them. Subscribe if you would like to see more. See you next time. Bye. 再见.